Guys, so I just received my mirror Glam coffee table. I purchased it on Amazon. So this is what the box look like. So we're praying that there is no damage to the item whatsoever. No damage. And this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like right there. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Guys, this is a very heavy piece. So we are keeping our fingers crossed that there's no physical damage whatsoever. It's as big as the chair. Bless you. It's packaged very well. That's a plus. Ooh. Huh? Yeah. Cause it's like And guys, here you have it. This is what the AMCE Norlai Crush Mirror Octagon table looks like in my living room area with all of my new furniture pieces, guys. I really love how beautiful this piece looks in my living room. It is so elegant, and let me let you guys know it was a used item from off of Amazon. And usually this table is around like around $700, and I got it for $400. So that Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.